Good Saturday morning. A couple of months ago I was asked if I cooked eggs in a Corning Ware Menuette. I thought I had. This is a P83. Upon searching my videos, I don't have a video for cooking eggs in the P83 Corning Ware Menuette. Let's talk quickly about this before we cook our eggs. This is a P83 Corning Ware Menuette. It says so right there. This is an aluminum disc. It is 1/8 inch thick. It is 1/8 inch thick. You can get them on eBay. And you can get them custom size to fit your burner. Why are we using this? Because this heats unevenly. That's why they made range toppers even though they didn't last very long. Also, you want to score the bottom with coarse sandpaper and it stops it from moving around. Pretty easy to clean with Barkeeper's Friend or... Now, these eggs have been out of the fridge for over an hour. You don't want to use them if they still feel cold. Why? If I put cold eggs in here, the temperature of this pan is going to drop. So we don't want to put cold eggs in here. It'll drop the temperature of this cooking surface and they won't cook as fast. So with Corning Ware, you want to have room temperature eggs. This still feels a little chilly, so we're going to wait another 10-15 minutes. I'm just saying.
Tablespoon of butter. Hey, if Jacques Papin can use a tablespoon of butter, so can we. Heat. Okay, and eggs in. Cover on. Let's go to low. Salt, pepper, a little soapy water, and easy to clean.
Bagel and pineapple, V8 juice, and eggs. Oh. Jimmy Dean sausages. Just take a bite of you. Oh. Oh. Thanks for joining me this Saturday morning. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Oh, thanks for watching.